That cutty fan down here, so as you see when I do me with my foot, should be niggling and dead in here, clean out.
Over here at the clinic, them do it?
No, over Sparling.
Oh.
At 2 months me over there, you know. Yeah? Yes.
That's the time when we see you down at the shop.
Yes.
You did just come out?
Go back over there.
Oh, you go back?
For foot tap.
That's sorry we never see you.
When I turn black, so you were panic.
So what they say, you have sugar?
No, it'll get better, you know.
Oh, poison, they say the poison?
No, cut EVN.
EVN cut. He was chopping at the farm and chopping himself by mistake.
EVN cut.
No, so you better know.
Yes, you shut up here now.
So you could make me know say over there for 2 months.
Yeah.
Who can look for you?
Me give me food, me not hungry.
Oh, you get food at the hospital. Yeah. So nobody visit you?
I still, my brother. My brother come there.
Oh, okay.
Say then bad man, but it tight here now.
Okay.
You don't feel no pain though?
No.
Yeah.
So when
you shut up here now.
So when they do to
they clean out it. They cut out it. Why he been get it even and cut.
Oh.
And me down here, they no go over there.
So you don't let you don't try dress yourself?
Yes, and he gather something up here so clean off it, cut it round so and left down here so last in Europe. Should be niggly in there if you see with blood.
You holla?
No. It's my heart every time beat.
Yeah.
Oh.
You think you dead?
No, me not dead, but it get better, you know.
Yeah.
Up here now, but it's stiff.
So you have to get home and get it out of the shoes. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so for now you just visit the local clinic for them check panny.
So then say,
how are you did?
Then write letter, 2 letters then write, so then be dress it, tell you.
Oh.
Alright.
So serving away you did a chop at the farm when you get the cut.
We don't me something there.
Oh, without your what?
We don't me gungu so.
Oh, and it's sleep.
And I sleep as me then we go down there.
Okay.
But when the water boat now we on chop.
Yeah.
But I me sleep as I expect me just rub up in my shit and go down there. And I weed.
Yeah.
And look to buy in my shit choppy vein. Choppy vein. I me just rub up in my shit, but actually nice slippers and slippers.
Yeah.
Cut the vein. The vein here. This. Yes, I hit cut. This.
Oh.
I hit cut. And it's set up here now.
What you mean here? We don't wish party lace, they're stiff.
No. Let me take you to the shoes. What you mean here, so? It's black. You see where you mean I say black down on me?
Yeah, it's black when me see
and it should be niggly in there and dead in it. And it clean out it. Clean out it. So it set up here now. But it's stiff here now. It's stiff. Yeah, up here so.
I wonder if it's because maybe it's because it wrap.
No, it actually heal up.
Oh, okay.
And I vein man cut. But if you well now, me not go feel, but me walk one way.
Okay.
So doctor say me walk one funny way.
Until it heal up completely.
God bless them.
After heal up.
God bless them.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
Because you could have lose your foot.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you see what blood come out there. And when cut off. Go here so.
Yeah.
And down here so being left where you been see it a turn black or we black so. And me go back over there again and then give me injection in there. And then clean you out. Come quite up here so.
Oh.
Please, and me couldn't walk.
So when we see
me over there.
So master vein.
When me come back out, me get it poorly.
The parts.
Yes.
Oh.
2 months. That me to say 2 months. Me get 2 months.
Yeah.
When me come out, I know me wait again and me get 3 times. Me get almost 6,000 me get.
Also it's 3,000 you get each time?
6,000 me get.
Oh.
So me been over there 2 months. And me been come out here come the 1 month before the peak.
Yeah.
Me get 3. But it's stiff here now. But it heal up. It shut out.
Yeah.
It shut up, but then say me not be tap till then tell me be tap.
Yeah, man, when they tell if it stop come,
Mm-hmm.
then we know when it's ready for
Yes.
It was really bad, man, if you have to spend 2 months.
We couldn't walk. And them have to do everything over there for me. We couldn't come up my bed.
And it's
Put it on
my serving is this morning. You remember one of our donors who had sent you some groceries. She was asking how you were doing, and I told her we haven't seen you for quite some time. So the last time I saw you was when the foot caught. Well, thank God, you know, it come on really good.
And them have to do everything over there for me.
Yeah.
Can't come up my bed.
Yes, say you turn baby.
Oh God. God bless them.
Yes, man. Yes. But you look well, though.
Yes.
You look like you didn't need that break in the hospital.
Yes.
So unfortunately, your foot caught.
So Stervin, tell me something. The time when we did see you down there, so you never did go just yet.
Yes, indeed, they go to the hospital already, too.
Yes.
Oh, there's a 2 times hospital.
Yes.
No, it's a 2 months me spend over there.
So the first time when you go, how long you did stay?
Partly 1 month, partly 1 month.
And then you go back and spend 1 more month?
Yes.
Oh. Come in, know, say it's about a month ago since we last saw you.
I can't wear shoes now.
Yeah.
I can't live
You know, if you pressure it still in and pressure it.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
Man. You see.
Yeah.
God bless them.
Yes, man.
I mean, could have lose it, then could have got cut.
So you do the machete?
You don't there, I use.
If you stop using.
I'm afraid I eat.
You're afraid of it?
Stop using, because this is wicked to you.
I can't stop using.
Yeah,
And you don't sharp meat so much then.
Aye. Me have to be careful of it.
Cow.
Yeah, down there, down there.
So who look after a cow and you never there?
And my brother, Asti.
Oh.
Okay.
But since he come through, he have one up a hill with one big bowl.
Yeah.
A 3 of them, so me take back that one, a 2 grass down on me.
Yeah. So the grass is close to you, you know, if you go far bush.
Take the grass.
Okay.
My taxi, a 3 of them, one can manage them alive.
Yeah.
And no grass, no so over there.
So you have oil down there, Stervin?
What kind of
You
oil?
have cooking oil?
No. I buy me, I have to buy.
Okay, done in egg.
So you do the money where they give you? The part money?
Who give me?
The part money where they?
The poor leaf
Me
one.
then give me brother one bag of fertilizer between a me ground when me I go over the first time over Spalding. So he back in there.
You're not going to see it in a melt out.
No, yeah. I'm have to come back out now when they give me parts and take it up by bag more carry go up and me sell.
Oh, so money done. Oh, we have no oil in it. Car truck. Well, check if we have none. Can I give you here?
Yes. I when me buy one cup back of 150 down a gauge.
And it done.
That's a, you must say I drink it oil,
No,
man.
a 2 times me use it.
2 times and it done.
Oh, Likkle.
Oh, the short one.
I'm going to lick buckle all about, long about. So, 150.
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
Look if no more in there. One. Alright, can I get that for now?
You can buy a liver and them and me take cookie liver. But you look, he done.
Yeah, I want me know the bottle where I talk. I want small.
Use it 2 times he done.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, you're welcome. Alright, so
Yeah, take care.
yeah, when we gonna have some more stuff, we make you get some, alright?
Yeah.
So guys are running to Master Vin.
Look at it.
Yes, I video your foot, I video you.
Me put the pants over it.
Yes.
What you want me over hospital? Say, me not fit go ground go do nothing. And me have to move me coat. Sometimes me something wet up.
Oh, the bandage.
One time me go back, one
Yeah.
time me go back hill and it wet up and me come a clinic. you know, feel good for me foot. But me can't
Oh, yeah.
sit down. Me can't sit down.
Get one bag, man. Get one garbage bag and
You
put
see
your
how
foot in
me
it
feel here
first.
now?
Yeah.
Set up here now, but he can still address it.
Because you couldn't touch it before.
Yeah, and me
Yeah.
couldn't do so like I feel you. He set up here now, set up so.
Yeah.
But it tight. Me feel it cut.
Oh,
It
okay.
come tear it well and dead.
I know dead it got dead to have life that time.
Yeah. Me no know what go happen to the vein, but doctor say me I go walk one little way.
Oh.
Funny.
Rub it with olive oil, man.
Or even.
When it's well.
Yeah.
Or castor oil.
Castor oil. Yeah.
Mine, me think say all now me couldn't go up a roadside here so. Me
Yeah.
not go read big ground. I go up there go dig one repeat. Me believe me that in a hospital. But we been tan.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, when the doctor done with it, I raise up my head off my bed and look on it. He said, when I go come out,
Yes.
the fan fly off it. Make fly blue away. When the doctor done with it.
Yeah.
Me say, when I go come out, me not go read me girl. And me a roadside.
Yes, man. You have to give thanks.
Yeah.
Alright, man, serving. Take it easy, yeah? Alright. Bless you. Love, guys. Alright. The hospital?
For them, the somebody will do it, they can't get up.
Oh.
They can get up and do it.
So you pray for come out.
They have to send too much.
Yeah. I saw you go. Yeah. At least you're out now and your foot
I
well.
have to be careful of myself and
Yeah.
try to not go back.
Yes, yes, yes. You have to be careful.
The job is when I do you see the scent in there and it make me feel bad.
Yeah. So you're
A
glad.
good place, but
Yeah.
by this sick at the yard we go.
Yeah.
I pray if come out. Job all kind of somebody. When I pray to do in there.
Yeah.
Then curtain and then do
Yeah.
and you sent it.
Oh, so that have to stay there until somebody can take it out.
Yeah, man, you know.
Oh, so okay, okay. I understand. Oh. You happy you all do my serving and you do better. My serving saying that I pray for come out. Because them, you know.
You do in there and you sent it and me feel bad one way.
That's a hospital stay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, a good place for everybody.
So what you have to pray for now is to not go back in there?
Yes.
I think just say. Because you the God over there. So.
Okay.
Yes.
And sometimes you hear them at do in there, you can't do it, you know. For me going there, I must have one time you do it. Or 2 times, but not come so much.
Yeah, because you not eat no food.
Yeah, like a diet, them are here. I mean, they 2 months and 2 times you do it before me come out. 2 months. And when me come out here and look about soup and drink,
Yeah.
me do it. Do it in hospital, same thing. Man,
Tell them thanks to take care of you.
Yes.
feed them and save your life.
Yeah. That's how it go.
Feed them and feed them and save your life.
Yeah.
Man, no easy. And me belly no feel no way, but me no do though.
Yeah.
No go pee.
Yeah, enough.
Yeah.
Because you don't have a whole heap of,
A drip, they give you a drip, not
Yes.
sure, yeah, man. That's how you flush out your system.
Yeah. Don't go pee me pee. No do.
None of that. You have to go eat some yam and dumpling.
But when me come out, me alright, you know. Even me, when me want to do me do it. You know.
yeah.
You can walk like your bathroom now, but when you're over there, so somebody have to assist you, so
Right.
you know, you have to hold it sometime.
Man.
You look like you think
You want to reminisce?
Oh, but it's not easy, man. Man.
Yeah. We have to pray for no go them and serve it.
Yeah, me say me did that 2 months and not 2 times me do it. When me do the first time and enough, me tell the doctor say me do it. And like the after me there again, me do the one little time and if you want to beat come over. And find that me not do again. And go pee. Tell me about pee, every minute they can take out pee.
Yeah.
Oh boy. Alright, my servant, take care.
Yes.
Alright.
Yourself.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Good, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Last time I see you never look so.
Yeah.
Alright, my servant, take care till we see each other again. Okay, good.